Hello everyone, I'm Kerry-Lou and welcome to Silver Style Studio. I'm so excited. I have recently reached over 100,000 YouTube subscribers. My first YouTube video was one I made with my then 84-year-old mum. She's 88 years old now. The funny thing is, the video I did with her was supposed to be a natural makeup look, something quick and simple. But when I look at that now, I think to myself, well, that application is a bit more complicated than it needed to be. But like most people, my philosophy about beauty and style changes as I age. And I want to thank you all for making it possible. I know your time is really valuable and I really appreciate you choosing to spend it here with me once in a while. If you told me a few years ago when I made my first YouTube video that I would reach over 100,000 subscribers, well, I would never believe you. Here is the plaque that YouTube sent. Isn't it lovely? They also sent me a lovely letter of congratulations, and for those who are interested, I'm going to read that after this video, so stay with me. A few years ago, I was doing mostly makeup for photo shoots and TV shows, things like that. This kind of makeup does require a lot more steps and a lot more makeup in terms of how much you actually apply to the face. So, this first video was in fact a simple look for me at that time, and it did end up looking natural. If you've seen my videos now, you'll see that I am simplifying makeup routines that I show on my channel. And also, I like to emphasize not to rely on makeup alone to improve your appearance, but it's really important to look after yourself in other ways, such as exercise, nutrition, and skincare. I'm 64 years old now, so time goes zooming by, right? And I say this not in a morbid way, but realistically, I shouldn't be squandering the precious time I have left by taking hours out of my day for makeup, hair, and deciding what to wear on a daily basis. So, simplicity is very important to me now. Occasionally, you'll still see me doing very glamorous looks that take more time and a bit more advanced makeup techniques, like applying fake lashes, that sort of thing. These more glamorous makeup videos are useful to watch if you have a special event coming up. Even if you end up having a makeup artist do your makeup for an event, like a wedding perhaps, at least you'll understand what you can achieve with great makeup techniques. Today, I did do a more glamorous look for this video because I felt like celebrating this award. It's so important to celebrate landmark moments in your life, to acknowledge them, and to give yourself a pat on the back once in a while. I think I can just about pat myself on the back still. As some of you have probably realized, I haven't made any videos lately, and that's mostly because I've had a lot going on with my personal life that's taken some priority. My mother in the UK has had some serious health issues, and my sisters do a fantastic job taking care of her. But once in a while, they do need a break themselves. So that's when I go over there to kind of take over a bit, give them a rest, and also to spend some great time with my mom. I know that many of you have very similar experiences. A couple of months ago, I put up a video about caring for yourself when you're the caregiver. And so many of you shared your own experiences about what you're going through. And it really touched my heart. I'll continue to post on Instagram because that's quick and easy and it keeps me in touch with everybody. I'll continue making YouTube videos, of course, but I may not be able to do them quite as regularly as I would like. But make sure you hit that subscribe bell, and that way we're going to keep in touch and you'll be notified every time I put a new video up. On a happy note, my son James is getting married to his fiancée Liz this summer. So that's another thing I'm being involved in, and it's keeping me really busy. So I'm really thrilled with that, and I'm looking forward to it. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to post lots of photos of different dress choices. Maybe you can help me make a decision. I hope so. Another priority is, of course, our lovely Cassia. I have to squeeze in some granddaughter time because she is the light of our lives, of course. So you can see I'll be doing a juggling act for the next couple of months. This 100,000 subscriber mark makes me very aware of what a great responsibility having a YouTube channel is. And I'll always do my very best never to let you down in terms of quality of the content of this channel. I would love to hear any ideas you may have about what you'd like to see me doing on this channel for when I come back, which will be in a couple of months. More skincare advice perhaps? Fashion tips? Is there a makeup brand that you'd like me to review? Let me know in the comment section below. You know I love to hear from you. One of the things I like most about having this channel is that I get to chat with you in the comment section, and I love that so often you add your own smart advice and wisdom. Again, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support, and I wish you all the very, very best that life has to offer. Thank you, and I'll be back soon. And here's the letter from the nice people at YouTube.